Nestled in the blackjack oak trees lies 166 acres with east-facing home, 6 stock tanks, 4 shops, a greenhouse, and 2.5 miles of fencing. Complete with 20 acres of Tifton 85, 50 acres of planted wheat, remaining are native trees. Fenced with cross fence, 3 gates, 11 total, built with Red Brand 12-gauge 7 wiring. 1,000 pounds of concrete at every corner post. 8,000 square feet. 80 by 100 shop rough and plumbed, complete with 3,000 LED lighting, 4 16 by 16 electric doors, 2 14 by 14 doors, 1 10 by 10 doors, and a 26 by 16 door. Cattle pen shop with well water and 3 electric garage doors, 614 square feet. Shop with 2 electric garage doors, well water tank with a dock, well water stock tank with base, perch, and catfish, plus a rain-fed tank, 484